Hey everyone, in this video, I would like to talk about how to use the law of sines in competition math, how to deduce the law of sines in competition math. So here we go. We need to draw a circle first, a circumscribing circle, and there's going to be a triangle that has been circumscribed. And I'm going to label all these dots as A, B, and C. Okay, so now we need to find out the circumcenter. How do we find out the circumcenter? We got to plot all those perpendicular bisector of each side and just roughly sketch it out to figure out the circumcenter out there. And you've noticed that, like that's going to be the radius, circumradius, and this is also going to be circumradius. Let me label this as O, such that BOC becomes the isosceles triangle. All right, so if I label this angle as capital A, you've noticed that this is just going to be 2A, only because the inscribed angle and the central angle has the ratio of 1 to 2. All right, so that being said, we're going to label this BO as capital R, and BC is going to be A, small a, but half of it becomes A over 2, and that becomes A over 2 as well. So now we can get sine A, the value of sine A, which will be A over 2 divided out by capital R. And you can also get sine B as small b over 2 divided out by capital R, and you know that sine C will be small c over 2 divided out by capital R. So we got two variations. Now, the first variation that we can talk about is A over 2R will turn into something like sine capital A. And the second variation that we can talk about is A over B equaling sine A over sine B. Okay? So if you want to use the length ratio with the angular ratio, you can definitely use the second one. But if you want to come up with some kind of information about the circumradius then, or the circumdiameter, well, you got to use the first one. And this is how we use the law of sines in competition math.